this set. Let's start the set with the going through the basic information. It says Vadavad, Dodi, Ganju, Kokate, Jwari, and Lachiramka work in the same company. Three of them are senior managers, and the other three are managers. They are to be seated in a row, not necessarily in that order. The seats are numbered 1 to 6 from left to right in the row. No two senior managers sit adjacent to each other. Badwa does not sit adjacent to Dodi, and one manager is at position number 4. So let's draw the positions for the 6 positions. As seats are numbered from left to right, so this has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is given that one of the managers sits at position number 4. So this position should be reserved for manager, and it is also known that no two managers sit adjacent to each other. It is also known that no two senior managers sit adjacent to each other. To get this condition in place, we have to start mm, with managers at position 1. So first one senior manager should be there, second one should be there, and third senior manager can be any of the places numbered 5 or 6. So senior manager or manager or senior manager. So from here it becomes clear position number 2 should be occupied by a manager, like this. And it is also known that Dodi and Vadva do not sit adjacent to each other. So that is not something we need to discuss here. So let's go through the next paragraph. In the following questions, a statement is given and a conclusion which is drawn from that statement combined with some other information is given. The statement along with that information is consistent as well as sufficient to infer the stated conclusion correctly. You have to find that particular information from the given options. So let's proceed to first question. Basically, in each of the questions of this set, one statement is given and it is followed by a conclusion, and after that we have 4 options. We have to find the option which validates our conclusion along with the consistency of the conclusion with the given statement. So just we have to check this thing for each of the 4 questions of this set. So let's come to the first question. In this question, statement says Vadva sits at seat number 2. So here it is given that Vadva sits at seat number 2, and we also know that at seat number 2 only a manager can sit. It is for senior manager, senior manager, manager, senior manager or manager, manager or senior manager. And conclusion states Dodi is a senior manager and sits at seat number 5. As per the conclusion, this seat should be occupied by Dodi, who is a senior manager. So check which of the following options validate this conclusion. Come to the first option. Is it states Lachi Ramka sits at seat number 3. We can only conclude from this statement that Lachi Ramka is a senior manager, but the position of Lachi Ramka does not have any bearing with the position of Dodi. So this option doesn't give any clue about the given conclusion. So this cannot be our answer. So next, move to next option. It states Ganju is a senior manager and sits at seat number 6. Again, we only know the position of Ganju and nothing else about the position of any other person. So this statement would not enable us to validate the conclusion that is given in the question. Now come to next option. It says Ganju is a senior manager and Kokate sits at seat number 1. Position of Dodi has nothing to do with the position of Ganju Kotake, who sits at 1, and Ganju is a senior manager, does not give any additional info about the position of Dodi. So state option 3 is also not the statement that would validate our conclusion. So let's move to next and last option. It states both Kokate and Johari are managers and Johari sits at seat number 6. Here this seat is occupied by Johari, who is the manager, and Kokate is also a manager. We know that there are 3 managers and Badwa and Johari have already occupied 2 seats of manager. So third manager should be at position number 4, and that is Kokate. Now let's check what should be the position of Dodi. As we know that Dodi and Vadva do not sit adjacent to each other, from here it becomes clear that Dodi cannot sit at seat number 1 and 3. From here it becomes clear and obvious that Dodi can sit at only seat number 5. So option D gives the information that validates our conclusion, hence it has to be our answer. Let's move to next question. In this question, statement states Kokate is a manager and sits at seat number 5. Here conclusion states Vadva sits either at seat number 1 or at seat number 6. So let's check first option whether it validates conclusion or not. Both Lachi Ramka and Johari are senior managers. So from here we can say that Lachi Ramka and Johari occupy 2 seats out of seat number 1, 3 and 6. But on this basis we cannot specify the position for Badwa. So this statement is not sufficient in itself to validate the conclusion. Now let's move to next option. It states both Dodi and Ganju are senior managers. We have the same information that we had in previous option. So again, on the basis of this statement, we cannot validate the conclusion. Come to next option. Both Dodi and Ganju are managers. From here, it becomes clear Dodi and Ganju are the person who would occupy seat numbers 2 and seat number 4 in any order. suppose Dodi sits at seat number 2. In that case, as Dodi and Vadva do not sit adjacent to each other, then Vadva has to sit at seat number 6. In case Dodi sits at seat number 4, again using the same condition, Vadva, Vadva cannot sit at seat number 3. Now again we can say that Vadva can only sit at either seat number 1 or seat number 6. From here we can conclude that option C gives the required information that validates our conclusion. So it has to be our answer. Before moving to next question, let's check last option also. Both Ganju and Johari are managers. Again, position of Ganju and Johari doesn't have to do with the position of Vadva at all. So this statement has no bearing at all with our conclusion. So that's all for this question. Now move to next question. In this one, statement states Johari sits at seat number 3. Johari sits at seat number 3, which is occupied by a senior manager. From this, we can say that Johari is a senior manager. And conclusion states Kokate cannot sit at seat number 4. Now come to first option. Ganju is a senior manager and sits at position number 5. From here, we just can say that Ganju sits here. But if Ganju sits at position number 5, we cannot say anything about the position of Kokate. So this statement is not sufficient to validate our conclusion. Let's move to next option. It states Ganju sits at seat number 2, which means Ganju sits at this position and Lachi Ramka sits at seat number 1. So first 3 seats are occupied by Lachi Ramka, Ganju and Johari. And we know that Vadva and Dodi cannot sit adjacent to each other. On the basis of this information, we can conclude that Vadva and Dodi would occupy seat numbers 4 and 6 in any order. From here, it becomes amply clear that Kokate cannot sit at seat number 4 in any case. From here, it can be concluded that the information given in option B validates our conclusion, hence it has to be our answer. Before going to next question, let's check other two options also whether they validate our conclusion or not. Of course they won't, because there has to be only one answer. So come to option C. Both Dodi and Vadva are senior managers. From here we cannot say anything about the position of Kokate. Come to the last statement. Both Dodi and Lachi Ramka are managers. Again, this doesn't give any info that could validate our conclusions. Let's move to last question of this set. Here, statement says Dodi sits at seat number 4. Dodi sits at this position. And conclusion states Vadva is a senior manager. Now, come to the first option. It states Kokate sits at seat number 6. This seat is occupied by Kokate and Johari sits at seat number 2. Johari sits at seat number 2, and we already know that Vadva cannot sit at any of the seats which are adjacent to the seat of Dodi. From here it becomes clear Vadva cannot sit at seat number 3 or seat number 5. He has to sit at seat number 1, and we know that seat number 1 is occupied by a senior manager. From here it becomes clear that Vadva is a senior manager, so our conclusion is validated by option first only. And similarly we could check other options as we did in previous question. So that's all for this set.